Ever wondered how to create crisp, precise, and scalable grid-based logos like the pros? Well, today, we're breaking it down step by step. Now that's the grid we are going to work with. We grab the shape builder tool and we start drawing to shape we want. And that's how you craft a clean, grid-based logo from scratch. If this helped you, smash that like button, it really supports the channel. Drop a comment below. What brand or industry should we design a grid logo for next? And don't forget to subscribe for more logo design breakdowns. Until next time, keep designing with precision. See you in the next tutorial.